A warm greetings to everyone. I am D.M.Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, R.M.D.E. Engineering College. Now we are going to see about Git, a version control system. Generally, a version of a file or a code or a project will be having the set of records related to it, and if you are upgrading the work, you'll be assigning the different version for it. So Git is a version control system that records changes to your file or a set of files over the time so that you can able to recall with the specific versions. So different types of version control systems are available: local version control system, centralized version control system, distributed version control system. Git will come under distributed version control system. So first we are going to see about local version control system. So in local version control system, the file will be available in the database of the current local system, and the different version of that file will be available only in the local database. So if that what's the problem in this is need to collaborate with developers on other systems. So if they want to collaborate with other systems, this local database, you cannot able to connect it. So that's the problem with the local version. We can also say it as any corruption in the local database, the entire data will get lost. Next is centralized version control system. So in centralized version control system, whatever the system connected with that network will have a server database, and all the versions of that file will be available in the server database. But we heard the problem is called a single point failure. So this type of failure is applicable for all the centralized versions. So that's the problem in it. If you go for distributed version control system, so Git is an example of a distributed one. So each local system will act as a both client and the server, and with each will have a version or copy of the files in the respective database. So if any one system get corrupted, we can have a backup from the remaining systems. So that's the advantage of the distributed version control system. And for that have an example called Git, and Git will be available. Different versions of Git is there. So you have Git desktop. You can able to do all the repository works. I mean, creating a repository, storing the data, and having a different version of it. You can able to do it in the desktop or your local system. And you have GitHub that will be act as a cloud network. You can able to have a collaboration with the other team members, or if you want to share your codes with other persons. In such cases, you can able to export, or you can say it as a pull all the documents from the local repository to the global one. So that is possible. Thank you.